Well, welcome back, everyone. September is National Family Meals Month, and dietitians are encouraging families to commit to one more family meal together each week.
That's not too bad. One more each week. Totally doable. So joining us this morning is Hy-Vee registered dietitian Erin DeGrave. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me today.
All right, let's talk about the importance of Family Meal Month.
Oh yes, family meals are so important for everyone, from the littles to the olders to the adults and everyone in between, right? So it's so important for our mental, physical, and emotional well-being.
I believe it.
All right. Okay. Where's your mic real quick? I think we're having some problem. Do you have your mic back? This is live TV for you, everybody. There you go. Okay, but we got the gist of it. So yes, Family Meals Month. So making dinner doesn't have to be expensive or it doesn't have to be a long task. But, you know, what do you have here?
Yes, it can be extremely quick. Today I have a chicken bacon ranch non-salad salad.
Okay.
Yes. So really easy. So first you start off with some quinoa, cooked quinoa. I like to use the quick, easy, already made quinoa from the store. So you have that in your bowl.
So that's your base, and then what do you got there?
That's your base. This is some Bolthouse classic ranch dressing.
Ranch?
The Bolthouse that uses Greek yogurt. So I'm just going to add about a little extra than I want, but that's okay. We like it a little extra saucy, especially for the kiddos that love the ranch dressing. So we just kind of mix that up together. Get that quinoa nice and creamy. A lot of people don't like quinoa because it is a little dry. So this really just makes it creamy.
Yeah, it gets around that for sure. And then we're gonna dump some
chicken.
Pre-cooked shredded chicken in here.
Of course. Get those Hy-Vee shortcuts. Really easy, or if you want to save some money, make your chicken at home, of course. So I'm just going to add a ton of that. You just, again, mix it all up. And then you can serve it like this and then have your kids, especially if we have some picky eaters, have your kids top their own in their bowl. So I have a very basic right now, but let's add some vegetables because we always want to focus on that My Plate.
Right, we got some chopped cucumbers in there, some cherry tomatoes.
Yes, definitely. You can add some onions if you prefer, and maybe even some olives if your kids love olives.
Yeah, so that's the problem that I run into at home is I like to be an efficient cook, so I'll mix everything together, and then whenever I plate everything, my picky eaters will be like, oh, Dad, why'd you have to put this in there? Why'd you put that in there? So what advice do you have for families with picky eaters at home?
Right, so with picky eaters, you really want to get them involved in the cooking process. So first and foremost, have them help you pick out a meal that they love and incorporate that in your weekly meal planning. So whether it's breakfast and you're eating breakfast as a family, there we go, or even dinner. So it doesn't matter, but get them involved. And then also have them mix with you.
All right. And you've added some bacon bits and some other stuff here.
Of course, we added some bacon bits just to top because it is a chicken bacon ranch, non-salad salad.
All right, perfect. Erin, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.